All of us here at NBC4 want to say thank you. Last night, we partnered with the American Red Cross for a special call for trying to raise money for our neighbors in Kentucky following those devastating tornadoes nearly 2 weeks ago.
So let me say thank you. You donated more than $22,000 to the relief efforts, and our generous sponsors matched that total. So now more than $44,000 headed to the Mid-South. This money's going to help with immediate needs there. Food, shelter, water. Your big help. Thank you. Thank you.